In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to outline text in Google Docs and create text outlines. Let's jump right in and get started. First, you need to open your web browser and navigate to Google's homepage. Once you're there, turn your attention to the top right corner of your screen where you'll see a grid of dots. This is the Google Apps menu. Click on it to open a variety of Google services. From the list of apps, look for Google Docs. It should be easy to spot, usually near the top because of its popularity. Click on Google Docs to open it. Now, if you already have a document you're working with, you can open it here. But for demonstration purposes, let's start from scratch. Click on Blank Document to create a new document. Once your new blank document is open, you'll see a menu bar at the top. We're interested in the Styles drop-down for this task, so go ahead and click on it. From this drop-down, select Title. This action sets your text to the title style, which is useful for the primary heading of your document. Next, type in whatever title you wish to have for your document. Once your title is set, press Enter to move to a new line beneath it. Here, you'll want to type in your first heading. After entering your heading, you need to format it properly. Highlight the heading text with your cursor. With your heading text highlighted, return to the Styles drop-down menu. This time, in the Styles menu, you'll want to select Heading 1. This will apply the Heading 1 style to your text, which is important for differentiating it from body text and organizing your document. After applying the Heading 1 style to your heading, you'll notice that an outline begins to form on the left side of your screen. This outline provides a quick reference view of the document structure, making it easier to navigate longer documents. And there you have it. By repeating these steps with different heading levels, you can create a detailed document outline that not only looks professional, but is also easy to navigate. Whether you're drafting an essay, creating a report, or organizing a project, utilizing text outlines in Google Docs can significantly enhance the clarity and structure of your document. So go ahead and give this a try. With practice, you'll find that creating text outlines in Google Docs can be both intuitive and efficient, helping you manage your work more effectively. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.